Have you ever wondered what exactly Bitcoin is and why it's causing such a stir in the financial world? Bitcoin, shrouded in intrigue and mystery, is a digital currency that's been making waves. It's not tangible like a dollar bill or a gold coin, but it holds real value. In just a few short years, Bitcoin has soared from obscurity to a household name, sparking curiosity and interest worldwide. To understand Bitcoin, we must first delve into its history. Bitcoin's story begins in 2008 amidst a global financial crisis. It was a time of uncertainty when established financial institutions were failing. Against this backdrop, a pseudonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto emerged with a revolutionary idea. Satoshi, whose true identity remains hidden to this day, published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This outlined a digital currency system that was decentralized, meaning no single entity had control over it. It was transparent, with all transactions visible on a public ledger known as the blockchain, and it was secure, safeguarded from fraud by the use of cryptographic technology. Bitcoin was born not merely as a new form of currency, but as a challenge to the traditional financial system. It offered an alternative, a vision of a financial system that was open to all, free from control by powerful institutions. With the stage set, Bitcoin was ready to change the financial landscape. So, how does Bitcoin operate in this digital age? Let's start with the concept of blockchain. Picture a digital ledger, a record book if you will, that holds every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. This isn't just any ledger. It's a transparent one, visible to everyone in the network. Each transaction creates a new block in this chain, hence the term blockchain. But how are these transactions verified and new Bitcoins generated? This brings us to the process of mining. Imagine a bunch of supercomputers racing against each other to solve complex mathematical problems. The first one to solve the problem gets to add a new block to the blockchain, and as a reward, they receive some newly minted Bitcoins. This is mining in a nutshell. Now, the beauty of Bitcoin lies in its decentralized nature. There is no central bank, no single entity with overarching control. Instead, it's managed by a network of computers, also known as nodes, spread across the globe. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Bitcoin's unique operation has certainly disrupted traditional financial systems. But what does it all mean? Well, that's a question for another scene. Stay tuned. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of Bitcoin, what does it mean for you? Well, Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a radical rethinking of how money can work. Born from the mind of the anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, it's a decentralized system where no single institution, government, or entity holds the reins. Transactions are made with no middlemen, meaning no banks. It's like a digital cash for the internet, with every transaction recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Over the years, Bitcoin has grown from a cryptographer's hobby into a global phenomenon. It's been likened to digital gold, a potential investment that can hold its value or even grow. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. Bitcoin's value can be volatile, and it's still a relatively new market. Whether you choose to invest in Bitcoin or not, there's no denying its impact. It's not just a currency. It's a revolution in the financial world.